Hey everyone, my name is Elise and I am the Risk Control Manager here at Whitefish Mountain Resort. We are so excited to welcome you back this summer to our beloved mountain and the great outdoors. I wanted to take a moment to tell you what we're doing this summer to keep you and our employees safe. Our team has spent countless hours over the last month implementing the appropriate standards for your safety and sanitation across the mountain and our lodging properties. We are implementing these protocols based off of the CDC, the state, the Flathead County Health Department, and our very own medical director. On June 1st, Montana went into phase 2 of the reopening plan. This removed quarantine restrictions for out-of-state travelers and increased capacity in restaurants. Here on the mountain, most of the activities occur outdoors, where there's a low chance of crowding. But where there's areas of crowding, or where a chance of crowding could occur, there are some COVID-related changes. We have reconfigured spaces and added social distancing signage to areas where people line up and congregate. We have also reduced group sizes for activities, as well as the number of tables and seating in our restaurants. We've added hand sanitizer stations throughout the resort to encourage employees and guests to do their part in keeping their bins sanitized. We've adopted enhanced sanitation procedures of our commonly touched surfaces in accordance with the CDC and the County Health Department. We have been and we will remain in constant communication with our community, the state, and health organizations to follow safety recommendations and mandates. While we're happy and excited to welcome you to Whitefish Mountain Resort, we kindly ask that if you're not feeling well or you've been exposed to someone with an active case of COVID-19, that you please stay home. When you are here, we ask that you please respect social distancing, wash your hands, cover your coughs and sneezes, and where there's crowding, please wear a mask. Please know that if you make plans and those plans change, we are willing to work with you on those changes. In the same token, if we have to make changes based on the safety of you or our employees, we hope that you will be willing to work with us. We are all in this together.
Hi everyone, I'm Bill Kovich, Director of Mountain Operations for Whitefish Mountain Resort. Luckily, most of our activities are outdoors and naturally spread out. However, we have taken some additional measures to ensure the safety and health of both our guests and staff this summer.
Our zipline tours will be limited to 8 people plus our 2 guides, and an advanced reservation will be required. Harnesses, helmets, and trolleys will be sanitized after each use, and hand sanitizer stations will be available throughout the course. Our guides will be wearing face coverings when they are unable to keep a distance of 6 feet, such as adjusting harnesses or when attaching and detaching flyers from the zipline cable.
In the aerial park, guests will be required to make advanced reservations to help keep the number of participants in the harness room and on the course at a safe number. Harnesses and trolleys will be sanitized after each use, and hand sanitizer will be available at the beginning and end of each course. Face coverings are encouraged, and only members of the same household will be allowed on one platform at the same time.
While waiting in line for the Alpine slide, we ask that you social distance 6 feet apart from people who are not in your group. Hand sanitizer will be available at the top and bottom of the ride, and the sleds will be disinfected after each ride. For scenic lift rides, riders are asked to social distance 6 feet from other guests while in line, and only families or groups can ride together. Employees will be wearing face coverings when social distancing is not possible, and hand sanitizer will be available at the top and bottom of the lift.
At the Strider Park, capacity will be limited to 5 riders on course at a time. Bikes and helmets will be disinfected after each use. When some are tubing, riders will be asked to social distance 6 feet from other guests, and hand sanitizer will be available at the top and bottom. The inner tubes will be disinfected between each use.
Our priority is always the safety of our guests and our staff. We hope these additional measures give you peace of mind when coming to visit. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or send us a message. We hope to see you on the mountain soon.